So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to use the DCA groups. So first off, we need to view our inputs. And here I've got channel 1 to 6, which is my drum kit. Once I've got the balance that I'm happy with, I can go over to here to my output section, view my groups, which is the top tab here, and then choose which group I'm going to assign my drums to. So to do that, it's dead easy. I select my channel, and then I add the other channels into it by holding down the select button on my group and highlighting the others. Now, this fader here is in charge of all of those faders put together. One thing you should be considerate of is that you might accidentally have this fader down, in which case you won't hear the drums, or this fader might be up and you might accidentally have it muted, in which case you won't hear the drums. So once they're in a group, you have to always double check your DCA group. If you need to undo this grouping, it's the same. You just reverse it. So you select the group, and then the highlighted channels, you need to make them unhighlighted. And there you go. Now this does nothing.